Hey lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Yes, today we are going to make a beef pilau. Please subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more recipes. Yeah. Okay, I have 500 grams of beef here. I'm going to add in ginger, garlic, rosemary dry. You can use fresh rosemary. I have some bay leaves, cumin seeds, cinnamon. I'm trying to get as much flavor in this as I can. You can add in your favorite herbs, the ones that you think I've missed here. Add in some salt and water. Now we are going to cook. This on medium low heat. Yes, for like 1 hour until it's soft and tender, as you can see here. Now I'm going to remove all these bay leaves, ginger, and I'm going to put the stock apart and the beef apart. Yes. So add 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, or as you desire, but we need much oil for our onions to brown. I used 2 big onions here because we want the flavor of the onion brings out the pilau so nicely. I've added some garlic. Please make sure that your onions brown properly. We want that golden brown. It has the best flavor, the best aroma. So we need it. We need it for our pilau, and basically most of the things it's better for the onions to be golden brown. So I add in my beef. I also want the beef to have a bit of to brown a bit. Yes, to get that golden brown. Also I add in my pilau masala. You make your own fresh pilau masala. I'll make a video about that, how to make your own pilau masala at home, but here I use store-bought pilau. Yes, so this is optional. You can add in one tomato crushed. Yes, we need to get a bit of sweetness, that tomato sweetness in this pilau. It's optional. You can go with, you can use it or not. It's really up to you, but it's really nice when you do this. Yes. Okay, so now I add in my rice after infusing all the flavor, the pilau flavor in the beef. Now I want to infuse it with my rice before I add in the beef stock. Yes, so please wash your rice. Wash your rice at least 3 times, or until you get clear water. Yes, nicely nice. This is nice. You try to mix your rice with the beef until you see that it's infused properly with what you're cooking, and then add in a stock. Yes, so this is my trick, guys. For every 1 cup of rice, I add in 2 cups of water or 2 cups of stock. Yes, so you can use that trick. If you have 1 cup of rice, add in 2 cups of water. In this case, I had 2 cups, so I had to add in 4 cups of stock. Yes, please cook on low heat, medium low heat, for our rice to get ready properly. Okay guys, now this is our rice, looking nice, smelling good. It smells so good in here, the herbs, the spices. Woo! You guys must try this. You guys must really try this. So please subscribe if you've not yet subscribed. Join the family. Let's make some delicious meals, some nice meals. Join the family. Thank you guys. So yes, our rice looks nice. The beef, I tell you guys, the beef is really looking good. It's soft and tender. The rice is not too dry. The beef is not dry. It's just the way pilau has to be. Yes guys, so don't forget, you can can tell me in the comment section how how it came out when you tried it out. Yeah, so serve and enjoy with your family, yourself, your friends. Have a blast. Please, thank you for watching. Guys, please subscribe.